I have just plugged in the throttle quadrant, and the first thing I want to do is go into the game controller settings in Windows, and I'm going to find Project X module. I'm going to go to properties, and now I want to calibrate this. So I'm going to go to calibrate, and then I'm going to start with the levers. So just put something there. So I'm going to do a few of these, and then the mixture. And by the way, I'm doing this now on the carb throttle mixture, which I call the CTM, but you can do this virtually on all of the modules. And then I'm just going to leave it, press next, again next. I'm going to leave the brake axis as is, and then I'm going to do finish. I'm going to do apply, I'm going to do OK. Please notice that there's two buttons here, button 1 and button 2. Even though on the device it will look like there's only one button, it actually isn't. It is two buttons in the device. And this is going to be quite helpful later when we get onto X-Plane. So now I'm going to press OK and OK, and I'm just going to load up X-Plane, and I'm going to start a new flight and show you how to calibrate this on X-Plane as well. So I'm going to go to a new flight, and I'm going to choose randomly the Cessna Skyhawk. It's going to tell me here that I've got some uncalibrated axes. That's okay. I don't mind about that. It will come into play in a bit. Now I'm going to go into the calibration. I'm going to choose the Arduino Leonardo, and I'm going to do a quick calibration in here as well. There you go. Now the other two axes here I'm going to ignore. I'm going to press next, next, and I'm going to let X-Plane save my settings for me. And now I am ready to start my flight. There's a little bit more calibration, assignment of values, basically mapping, that needs to be done in X-Plane. I'm going to show this in a minute. So let me just start this flight. And before startup of the plane, I will show you how to do that. So I'm here now in my Cessna 172 Skyhawk. And the first thing I want to do is move down a bit, and let's just get rid of the control columns here and the yokes. So now I've removed the control column, and the first thing I want to do is go into my calibrations for the Arduino Leonardo. And on axis 0, I'm going to set this as throttle, and axis 1, I'm going to set this as mixture. Notice the two buttons here. When the button is on off state, it's on button 1, and when it's on the on state, it is on button 0. And this is important here now, because you can set this. This is a state of carb heat on, and this is a state of carb heat off. And this is how X-Plane reads this. In my case, I don't want to set this to carb heat. I'm going to set this to fuel pump. And I'm going to go here to the edit of button number 2, and I'm going to set this as the value fuel pump off. And for value number 1, I'm going to set it to fuel pump on, and then I'm going to press apply, and then I'm going to press done. Now, notice something interesting here. The mixture and the throttle are working fine, and the fuel pump is working just fine. You don't need any add-ons, any external modules to install on X-Plane or any other software. All you need to do now is just go virtual flying. So yeah, that's it. Just keep in mind that sometimes, because of the manufacturing components that I buy from the manufacturers, these axes might need to be reversed, or one of them or both of them. But other than that, happy flying, and thank you very much.